crab apples. I've done that at Sherman Lake and almost ended up breaking something probably. I didn't, but I almost did. Tripping over a root trying to get Jonah for slapping Sierra in the head. He did this to Sierra. He went, and I tried to, she goes, Jonah? And she almost fell, so. So I went and tried to get back at him, tripped over a root. That ended up in a disaster. That was fun. Scraped my knee. I say this way. Okay. There it is, because there's the barbed wire. Or there's the fence. Oh. Well, that's just poo diddly. How many people do you think have come into here enough to make them close it off? Actually, because there is the wire that Dad had to step over. Alright, guys, have fun. Don't scrape anything you wouldn't want to cut. Oh, this is yippee skippy.
Come here, this way.
Oh, we're climbing over tree branches now, eh? See, this was all barbed wired.
Well, they might have secured it. There it is.
It's open. That was not open before. Right here, we can get in through here. Just don't cut anything you wouldn't want to cut. Please. What are they doing?
Like crew boats. Whoa.
Are we testing nuclear bombs here now?
Check out this long boat. That's one of those like Olympic rowing.
Yeah, about 12 feet.
That's a shame though, with a big, beautiful car. Don't go in there.
Well, they did it to film a movie, and they didn't want it to be recognized.
They painted it, but I said, who would have ripped that door off?
There's like
broken windows.
probably
Isn't
used
that a shame?
that probably used to be where they kept
Look at, here's the smoke.
smokestacks. Well, did we ever figure out which boat this was? I think it was the Mary Bell, I think, or something. Huh.
Take a picture of the water wheel, paddle wheel. Come over here. Yeah, some big paddles. Oh yeah. Come here. Give me the camera. Get in there. Sit in it.
No.
Sit down. Just sit right on the edge. On the edge. Get in a little further. A little bit. 'Cause otherwise you're... Sit back. Yeah, you gotta sit back. Nothing's in there. You can see out the other end. Put your phone down. Yeah. Put your phone down. I don't want to see your phone in the picture.
Wipe my butt off, please. Thank you.
You just wanted me to rub your butt.
No. Well, now that we've seen the paddle boat, we're headed to the grist mill.
Oh, it is Emory. Emory is a college, university. So it's their crew where they... Oh, store stuff. Wait. Those might be the outside, you know. The balance.
3-man or 4-man.
Those also could have been the escape, the lifeboats.
No. Those would not be lifeboats. Those are crew, which means the rowing teams that you see that all row at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
Look at the paddles up there. Be a good leg to train on.
Y'all have shoes that are attached right to that.
Oh. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. That's cool.
Technically, we're not legally supposed to be here.
Yeah.
No. I just want to go to the grist mill. There's a covered bridge over there. There's your lake. Oh, you got some people out on it. Let's see what else. And yeah, that's about it. So we found the paddle boat again. It looks like that's all we have for today. Thanks for watching. And of course, stay with us. And subscribe. Peace.